Hey everyone, this is Gauri. Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you all my dining space decorating video. So let's get started. So these IKEA unit shelves, before I placed it near to this TV unit, but for the change I thought I can move it from here. So I am moving from here and I am going to place it near to the dining area. This is the way time to time I used to change the items like decor items or furniture things. So it gives us a more fresh look for us. Some of you guys might wonder I am buying decor items every time when I am redecorating my places, but answer is not at all. These decor items are collected from long period only, and some of them I have stored inside my storage. So whenever I need it, I take it and decorating here only. And also I used to shift the things like decor things from one place to another, from one room to another room. By this it gives me a new and different look. You also guys can also take these tips which will help you to give a better look at your homes, and others will also feel its new and fresh look. As you can see, our dining space is joining with the living room. So half part we set up as a dining space and other half part we set up as a living room. Last time I have shown you all my living room decorating ideas. Hope everyone would have liked it. Since this space is small, so we have set up the furnitures accordingly. This cabinet, if you have seen in my old channel, Simple Living Mummy channel, I have kept our altar here in this cabinet only, but for the change we decided to make the separate floating shelf for the altar. Already that altar video already published in this new channel. I'll post the link in the description box. If you haven't seen that video, you can go and check it over there in the description box. So here in this cabinet I can keep some other like a decor things or anything else. I can keep it here. I have placed in these shelves more of greenery. Actually, I would love to put the real plants since my living room don't have enough sunlight. So that's the reason I am placing here artificial plants. Earlier in my old apartments, I had a lot of green indoor plants because of good sunlight in the living room. So that's the reason I placed it so many indoor plants over there. But here I'm not getting that much enough sunlight, so that's the reason I'm placing here artificial plants here. If you had seen my old channel videos, you come to know so many indoor plants I placed it in the living room. And this tablecloth and runner I had used during the last Christmas, which I didn't remove till now. Now only I'm going to change it. I usually place this plastic cover on top of my tablecloth, so which is very useful to protect the tablecloth from any kind of stains or any dirt. Even if I need to change the tablecloth, it is very handy and easy to fold and keep it back even without washing. Replace with a new tablecloth. Thanks for watching. Hope you all like this video. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please go and click the subscribe button below. I will see you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.